Hello, Garden Gems. This is Determined Gardener here, and it is almost that time of year to celebrate moms. That's right, and we are at a local big box store, and this is the time to pick up a gift for that special woman in your life, sister and mother, cousin. You know what I'm talking about. So we have some flower baskets here. It's two for $16, and we have the annual mounding right here. This is really pretty. It's in fuchsia. I think these are, I don't know what type of flowers these are, but you get the gist. So we got some more right here. And it's a very nice, pretty basket for that special woman in your life, mom, sister, wife. So we have some more in the darker color and the orange, and coming over here we have some perennials, beautiful perennials. This one is absolutely stunning. It's white, and this is an azalea, a pleasant white azalea, and this is a $34.98 for this big size pot. $34.98 for this big size pot. And we're gonna move around here and go to some more baskets. $46.98 for this beautiful basket right here. Got super petunias and fuchsia. This is the variety. It comes in orange, fuchsia, and yellow. You can see it right there. It's a beautiful basket that you can put on your patio. And then we got these smaller size ones that you just plant in the ground. This is $6.48. And this is one type of annual. And we got the geraniums, small ones, for $2. You got red, pink, and all these different types of colors. And then you got the daisies, African daisies. Oh, this one doesn't look that great, but right here is African daisies right here, $6. And you can plant these in the ground right away. We got some more baskets, pansies, beautiful pansies for $12.98. And moving on, we got some more flower baskets. This one's very pretty. This one's almost $50. And these are the varieties of flowers that's in this flower basket. And we got another one right here. These are annuals. Takes full sun, partial sun. Geraniums. We got some more geraniums. We got the African daisies. Look how pretty that looks. And that is $22.98. Comes in this really cute, wicker plastic basket. That one we just showed you. It's a shadow. That one's really pretty. Got some really cute marigolds in all different colors. And this caught my eye, this beautiful azalea, fuchsia. And this is $12.98 for this pot size, this size pot. You can see some of them are spent. That means a lot of these will be going on sale, so that means it will at least be 20 to 50% off, so you want to watch for that. This one is $24, two for $24 for that, so that's $12 each. We got the pansies right here. No, the petunias. This is a whole block of petunias. And this is $13. So we get the whole block for $13. And some more beautiful daisies. This is $22.98. Burra daisy. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Show you some more stuff that they have. They have petunias, soup petunias, begonias. And this also comes in a whole flat for $12.98. And look at this. Wow, this is really pretty. $34. Look how pretty that is. It comes with coral bells and these soup petunias, purple variety, and a fern. Find a price on this. And this is the variety you get. Those are violas, ferns, and coral bells. So these are violas, purple violas. It's pretty. Can't beat a hydrangea. This one is $16.98. And they got the pink, the purple. If you want to, depending on your climate, you can put these in the ground right now. You don't have to leave them in the pot. I would suggest you put them in the ground instead of leaving them in the pot. Because when you leave them in the pot, it gets very dry, so you have to water them a lot. So I would suggest you to put them in the ground because summer is almost here anyway. I don't know, these sun patients almost coming out. All these sun patients, $14.98. Get a flat. You get 4 of them, and you can mix and match. Petunias, $32.98 for a big pot of petunias. And the best thing to do is to get your petunias not fully open. Get some fully open and some closed so you can enjoy them more. If you get them all open, then they will be shorter term and it won't last as long. So get some that are open and closed. This is a pretty big, substantial pot too. And we got that right there for $32.98. And see a lot more shrubs that they have on sale. More shrubs. Can't go wrong with this, $6. This is just really, really pretty. Got the begonias for $4. Lamb's ear, silver carpet, big ears, $8. Ended up killing this plant, but it's coming back. The daisies, the lilies, the lilies. Almost $8 for lilies. You can see them right here. These are very pretty. $10 for this one. You get 3 lilies for $10.98. 3 lilies. And go along with hostas. They're small right now, but they get really big. They're $6. And we are going to go to some more flower baskets. $22.98. These are all annuals, meaning they don't last, but they are beautiful. You have to fertilize them a lot to keep them going. You may have to deadhead some of them too. These are pansies, yellow and white pansies. I particularly like the dark ones. They're beautiful. The yellow and purple comes in this round basket for $22.98. And we're getting some more flower baskets for $16. This is the variety. I'm not going to even try to pronounce that, but this trails. So you can see the habit, it's already trailing. Oh wow, this is pretty. So this is supposed to trail. You see? Very nice. Who does not like a trailing basket? And this is $16. You want to keep this in full sun, and you want to fertilize. So you need to give it nutrition. If you don't, then it's not going to do as well. Very, very pretty. You got the pink. You can see they're already doing what they need to do, which is trail. Oh, and you got some succulents for people who really don't like flowers, but succulents, you can't go wrong with succulents. Look at this basket. Wow. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Let me see how much it is. Okay. This is $26. But the good thing about succulents is that you don't have to order so much. So just keep them in low light and they do their job. This one has a variety of succulents. Oops, somebody took this. I don't know. Maybe just died. I'm not sure. But hey, $40 for this basket of succulents. Look at that. Wow, it's a big pot too. I get the smaller one because it seems to be more succulents in there, and a lot more variety also. So this is the succulents you can get. Look at that one. Wow, that's cool. And different varieties of succulents. You know I have to go add this one and see what this is about. Alrighty. Wow, that's a big one. That is a big one. Wow, look at that. That's a showstopper. I don't know where you put that, but you know, I'm sure somebody that gets that will find it. Find a place to put that. So we're gonna move along. Also, wow, take a look at this. Beautiful. $26 for this plant. Wow, that is gorgeous. And it is Oriental Lily. It's an upright perennial, which means that it comes back year after year. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna make our way here. 2 for $10. These are the smaller pots. They're not looking that good. You'd have to take care of them. I wouldn't get them. And 2 for $16. A full head of just beautiful flowers. Now, the thing is, don't be tricked by this because it's very easy to get something like this. But when you're shopping for these type of flowers, you want to get open and closed blooms. It's very tempting to get something like this, but yes, it will last and it's instant gratification, but you want it to last longer. So once all these blooms are dead, the new ones that are closed will open. So you want to have open and closed blooms so it will last longer for you. Just a quick hack. Some more hostas. coral bells. Have this one variety in my garden. Just giving you just a look. I'm gonna go over to the hydrangeas. Okay, so this is the time of year, endless summer, very popular hydrangea. This is $19. You can leave it in a pot, but I would suggest you plant it. Now the thing about hydrangeas, right now they are waking up. If you are seeing hydrangeas that are in full bloom, you don't want to get those. You want to get these type of hydrangeas right here that are starting to bloom. This is the second week of May. So if you have a hydrangea that's fully open, that most likely was grown in a greenhouse and it was forced to open, so it will probably wilt. So you want to get ones that are in season. And right now these are in season. You can see, and how you can tell is that they're just starting to open. They don't have all their blooms out, as opposed to the ones I just showed you before that had all their blooms. So don't get the hydrangeas, the ones with all blooms out, because again, they're not in season. If you're in a northeast area in a colder climate, they're not in season. If you're in a warmer climate, probably that's a little different. But for the rest of us in the northeast and the colder regions, they are not in season now. They're just beginning to open. And on the internet, there's a lot of people complaining about their hydrangeas dying or turning brown. That's because they're not in season now. So don't get hydrangeas now. Wait until maybe another 2 to 3 weeks and they will be in full season. Like right here, don't get these type of hydrangeas. They're mop head hydrangeas, and let's see how they're fully open. Eventually, first of all, they're in full sun, which they're gonna start to wilt, because hydrangeas, it says full sun, but hydrangeas do not like, these type of hydrangeas do not like full sun. They like morning sun and afternoon shade. So right now they're in complete full sun, so they're gonna start to burn. You can see it right here, they're starting to burn. So again, don't get hydrangeas now. Wait until they're in the season in June or late May. But if you are anxious to get them, just plant them now, because most likely the frost where you live is gone. Last frost date is gone, so plant them now in the ground and water frequently. Again, some more beautiful baskets. Alright guys, so thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, Determined Gardener. Please subscribe, like this video. If you got any good information from it, give it a thumbs up. I will be doing plenty more videos like this, sharing all my tricks on how to go really smart, be a smart plant shopper. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit and like. But before I leave you, I'm gonna go over here and just show you this last thing. Coral bells, the special value, 2 for $16, and these come back. You can plant these, and these are perennials. Wow, this looks like a painting. These are perennials. Oh no, they're saying they're annuals. They're saying they're annual. So this is the annual variety. There are coleuses where you can get the ones that are perennials that come back year after year. So this one is not, but these are annuals. And just showing you the special value that they have here. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Until the next time, why don't you just stick around and see another video, because I have plenty of more video tricks and tips to show you. Stick around guys. Thanks for watching.